Let's learn sizes with Super Wing toys. This is a big Super Wing, big jet, middle jet, small jet, tiny jet, small jet, middle-sized jet, big jet, and huge Super Wing Jett. Let's see how we can transform them. This one can dance and transform into a walking and dancing Super Wing Jett. Every time, on time. This one we have to transform it by ourselves. You see? Here are the legs. You can transform Jett like this. Those are the arms and hands. Now this Jett can stand up. Awesome. This is the small Jett. You can open hands, and here are the legs. Ready. This tiny Jett can be transformed like this. You see, those are the arms and leg. When you push down the leg, it's a Jett again. Awesome. Let's repeat. This is the tiny Jett, small Jett, middle Jett, big Jett, and huge Jett. Hope you had fun. See you next time. Bye bye.